Learn with me ABC alphabets. A for apple, B for ball. Say C for cat, cat say meow meow. D for dog, say dog. E for egg and E for elephant. F for fairy and fish. Z for grapes. H for horse, say horse. I for insect and ice cream. J for joker. K for kite and kangaroo. L for large and lion. M for monkey and mango. N for notebook and number. O for octopus and P for pig and parrot. Q for queen, say queen. R for ring and rose. S for snack and sun. T for tiger, say tiger. U for umbrella, rain rain. V for vase and van. W for winter and whale. X for Xmas tree, say Y for yak. Say Z for zebra.